Can an SD card MP3 player be created in just a dozen lines of code? First, download the incredibly flexible ESP32 audio library. Next, you will need to wire up a stereo filter for converting the PDM output to analog. The output must go through a separate amplifier. If you are unsure what PDM is, please refer to my Internet Radio in a Dozen Lines video for a full explanation. And now, the code. Well, if anything, it's looking like another fail. Right then, let's start by loading all the libraries. Now, let's create the file object for the SD card. This is where we create the audio output object and also tell it to use PDM. Now, we create the audio generator MP3 object. Here, we are setting up the SPI library. You must specify which pins you are using for each connection to the SD card. You will probably use a breakout board for the SD card, so the pins will all be marked on the actual board. You can see here which pins I used for my testing. Remember also that SD cards run off 3.3 volts, so make sure that you use the correct pin for power. All the signal pins are just connected directly, no pull-ups are required. Be careful what type of breakout you purchase, as some are designed to handle voltage and level conversions for 5 volt use. You'll want one of the simplest ones on the market that have a handful of resistors and capacitors with no ICs or transistors. This is the board I used. Anyway, back to the code. With the SPI interface configured, it's now time to start the SD library running. And now we can load a song to play. And start it playing. And lastly, there's just the housekeeping. There's so much more you will need to do to provide navigation, volume control, file browsing, etc. But that's the fun of creating. You just need that inspiration to show you how simple it is to get started with something. Then you run with it and see where it takes you. This is my test setup. It couldn't be simpler, and when hooked to my amplified speakers and powered up, the MP3 starts playing. Since you already have an SPI bus set up for the SD card, you can hook up a colour LCD with just 2 more pins. In a future video, I may cover colour LCDs if there's interest. So, can an SD card MP3 player be created in just a dozen lines of code? Fail. Feel free to post any questions or share your projects and experiences in the comments. I'm always keen to hear of other people's experiences.